Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into something truly special, the 2026 Mazda RX-8. Yes, it's back, and it's brought a perfect storm of nostalgia and next-gen performance. For those who remember the Rotary-powered legend from the early 2000s, this latest version is a bold return that blends classic heritage with cutting-edge innovation. Let's start with what's immediately grabbing everyone's attention. The exterior. The 2026 RX-8 retains the coupe-like silhouette that made the original so distinct, but now it's far more refined. Mazda's Kodo design philosophy has evolved, and it shows. The RX-8 is sleek, low-slung, and muscular, with sharp LED lighting and aggressive front fascia, and subtle nods to its roots like the four-door coupe layout and signature front fender vents. The Rotary badge on the front grille isn't just decorative, it's a proud emblem of the Rotary Renaissance. The body lines flow elegantly from front to rear, with flush door handles and hidden rear-hinged suicide doors that return in a modernized form, making this car as practical as it is stylish. Aerodynamics have been heavily reworked too, with active front splitters and a rear diffuser that balance aesthetics and function. It rides on lightweight forged 20-inch alloys wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 5 tires, giving it that ready-to-pounce attitude even at a standstill. Stepping inside, the RX-8 greets you with a cabin that mixes driver-focused sportiness and upscale comfort. Mazda has used a blend of soft-touch materials, Alcantara, and brushed aluminum. The cockpit features a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster, a floating 11.8-inch infotainment screen with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and a redesigned rotary control knob for those who prefer tactile input. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed and wrapped in perforated leather with paddle shifters subtly integrated. The seats are sculpted sport buckets, offering firm lateral support whether you're carving corners or cruising long distances. The rear seats are more usable this time around, thanks to slightly improved dimensions, making this a genuinely practical 2+2 coupe. Ambient lighting, a premium Bose audio system, dual-zone climate control, and wireless charging pad round out the interior tech package. Under the hood lies the heart of the RX-8, a new generation rotary engine. Dubbed the Renaissance X, this power plant is a 1.6-liter twin-rotor unit paired with a 48 volts mild hybrid system. Together, they deliver an impressive 375 horsepower and 295 pounds-ft of torque, all sent to the rear wheels via 6-speed manual or optional 8-speed automatic transmission. The rotary engine's legendary high-revving nature remains, now complemented by smoother power delivery, better efficiency, and lower emissions thanks to Mazda's SkyActiv-R technology. Performance is sharp and responsive. 0 to 60 comes in just 4.8 seconds, and the top speed sits around 165 miles per hour. Mazda's engineers have worked wonders with the chassis lightweight construction, a perfect 50 to 50 weight distribution, and an updated rear multi-link suspension mean the RX-8 dances through corners with poise and precision. Steering feedback is excellent, and the new electronically controlled limited slip differential makes sure power is delivered exactly where it's needed. In terms of safety and tech, the RX-8 comes loaded with adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. It's not just a sports car, it's smart car. As for pricing, Mazda has positioned the 2026 RX-8 as an attainable enthusiast vehicle. The base model starts around $42,000, while the top-spec GT performance trim with carbon fiber accents, Brembo brakes, and semi-active dampers tops out at about $52,000, considering what you're getting: a rotary-powered, tech-laden, aggressively styled sports coupe. That's a compelling deal in today's market. So there you have it. The 2026 Mazda RX-8, a beautifully engineered return of a true icon. It's got the looks, the power, the innovation, and most importantly, it stays true to the spirit of rotary passion. Mazda didn't just revive the RX-8, they reimagined it. If you've been waiting for the rotary to rise again, your time has come.